Did you know that rhinoceros horns are not made of bone, but of keratin, the same material that makes up our hair and nails? These incredible creatures have been around for over 50 million years, making them some of the oldest land mammals on Earth. Despite their tough exterior, rhinos have poor eyesight but a keen sense of smell and hearing. Sadly, they are also one of the most endangered species due to poaching for their horns. Let's work together to protect these majestic animals for future generations.